Hi, I'm Beth. Most people think my job is to sell houses, but the truth, I don't sell houses, I protect my clients. In today's Madison market, median prices are around $437,000 and homes sell in just a week. It's easy to get swept up in the speed, but buying a home isn't just a logical transaction. It's an emotional journey. It's about passing one story to the next. My role is to be your guide. I look beyond the staging to find the good bones and discover the real story of the property. I negotiate for your future and protect your financial health because you aren't just buying square footage, you're buying a feeling and a future. If you're looking for a partner who prioritizes your protection over a quick sale, I'm here to help. Reach out anytime or comment value below to start the conversation. Let's make your next move your best move.